The media loves to report more negative things than positive. Make sure you remember this. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? It's your boy Ty, coming to y'all with money making moves. I didn't give you guys a report last week because of course it was the holiday time, and I hope everybody had a happy holiday, whatever you celebrate. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm still kind of on vacation, so yeah, I'm going to be doing a little bit, but maybe not as much when it comes to videos, because I do want to enjoy my time and enjoy my time with my family, and I hope you guys are doing the same. So it's going to be a quick money moves, and I would love to talk about what happened last week. As you guys can see, the market jumped back up. All right, so before that, this is the stock market, and I haven't touched anything. I still haven't invested into any more companies or anything, haven't added to this portfolio or anything like that. I've just been waiting it out, and for the month, I'm down less than what? Not even $1. I'm down not even $1. That's about 9 cents. I'm down 9 cents for the month. For 3 months, I'm up. For the last week, I'm up. See, but everybody was going crazy around this time right here. We saw these big drops and dips in the market, and that's when everybody was, oh no, the sky is falling. The sky is falling. We gotta make sure we get out of the stock market. Stock market is going down. But as I said at the beginning, the media likes to post, like to post, if you're talking about social media, Facebook, and the news outlets. They like to cover negative more than positive. And it's almost like a fact. It's almost like a fact. And I'm going to show you guys why real quick. Alright, I just did a quick Google search. Do people watch more negative news than positive? And when you hit search, you come to this, and I'm just going down a couple articles. People are 49% more likely to read something negative than positive. That's one article. And then the next article, why does so much news seem negative? People are more triggered by negative news than positive news. And you know what? It says this over and over, how negative news actually gets views. A bunch of different articles. Well, it made sense to me, like, if you are, let's go back to Robinhood. But if you are going through the news channels and you stop on Hawaii, and people are like, oh, Hawaii is having a beautiful day. It's another beautiful day in Hawaii. Are you going to sit and listen to what they're talking about Hawaii? Or are you going to flip the channel? Now, if you're going through the news and then you see Hawaii has been trashed by another tornado or a tropical storm, and houses are flipped upside down, people don't have places to go, which story would you sit and watch? And I say that because a lot of people was talking about a stock market crash. The stock market crashed. The stock market is going to crash. The stock market is crashing. Be aware of the stock market. Be scared and make sure you take the money out of the stock market. Make sure you have something for a rainy day, because the stock market is crashing. The stock market crash is real, right? If you are the type of person that reacts to that, or if you are the type of person that, starts to fear the stock market because you hear things like that, I'm telling you, it's nothing to fear. It's just fear sells. That's why scary movies sell out the gym, right? They sell out, they pack out the gym, the theater, gym, whatever you want to call it. But it's because fear sells. It's crazy, right? But we live in a society where fear sells. So people like to watch negative things and people like to report on negative things. So just beware. I'm not saying that all of it is false or untrue. Just beware that people like to report on negative because people actually react or stop and listen to the negative more than the positive. So yeah, so when you hear about stock market crash, and if you're an actual investor, please be wary of that bias and don't react to everything bad you hear, because if you would have done that, you would have pulled all your money out of the stock market or out of certain companies, and you would have missed the bounce back, which is what usually happens. So if you go to my year, I'm on my year, right? And you see the ups and downs. And I would like to say, it says 18% for the year. I've grown 18% for the year. That's really inaccurate. And I say it's inaccurate because I add money to the account. Like I said, I try to add 100 a week to the account. So if you calculate that in, that 18% is off. It's completely off. But I'm about to do a video on my yearly goals and show you guys if I met my goals later on this week. Make sure you come back and check that out. And I can show you the exact numbers on my growth and how I've done. But I'm just saying, check out how the market moves. The market sometimes goes down. Oh my God, I lost a lot of money. And then it pops right back up. Then it goes down, pops up. It's just part of the market. So yeah. Don't be scared of the market. Don't be scared of the market. But I didn't do anything in stocks. So I'm just letting you guys know, be wary of that. And again, if you are nervous about stocks, you can always start with ETFs and dividend stocks. I got plenty of videos on ETFs and dividend stocks. Make sure you go check one out. All right, but I did do something in the crypto field. So let's check out my crypto portfolio. All right, before we go to Coinbase, I like to show y'all, these are the cryptos that I hold. I haven't added any extra cryptos, any new cryptos. I got AMP, I believe in AMP. I got the Graph, I got Cosmos, and of course I got Ethereum. These are the cryptos I currently hold. All right, and this is how much I've invested. And you're gonna be able to see that these numbers are different when we go to Coinbase, and you'll be able to see which ones are actually performing very well. All right, let's go to Coinbase. All right, so on Coinbase, we're looking pretty good. I'm not at the point where I'm making money from what I put in, not yet. And that's because of AMP. AMP is down, the Graph is down, but Cosmos is jumping out the gym. Cosmos is killing it right now. But again, you can see on the crypto scale side of things too, it was a heavy dip, but she bounced back. And that's what's going on with a lot of cryptos too. There's a lot of cryptos that are down. So when we look at my favorite crypto that I'm betting on, I said my favorite crypto. I don't know, is it? I got the most in it, so I guess it is my favorite crypto. When we look at AMP, you see AMP is still down for the month. It was up. It's up for the year, but for the month, it's still down 11%. But then for the week, it's starting to come back, and for the day, it's starting to come back. So AMP is trying to make a little quick comeback. And same thing with the Graph. For the day, it's up. For the week, it's up. But for the month, it's down. So it still has a little bit of growth to do. and it's up for the year. Not much for the year. Ooh. So this definitely looks like a good snatch up area. So he's saying for the year is only 85%. Okay. But watch the graph. The graph is at a good price. But Cosmos, Atom. Yeah, Cosmos is killing it. And if you would have jumped in Cosmos when I jumped in it, which was around $25, I think I caught it around 25. I think I bought my first one like at 22. Yep, you would have had a nice run up for over the last week. From 21 to 31, that's 45% growth. So when you guys see these dips, everybody says sometimes you buy the dip and they keep dipping. Man, if you'd have bought but a decent position in Cosmos and got 42% growth in 1 week, you would have been very, very happy. I'm pretty sure you would have been very happy. Yeah, so that's what's going on. Like I said, I'm just making it quick. I'm going to be getting into it a little more when I come back later on this week. I'm going to be doing a detailed video on my progress and my goals. Did I complete my goals? Did I knock them out the gym? I always say that. But did I knock them out of the water? Yeah. Coming back.